This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Bob Mader. In Summer City, between Dayton and Pikeville, this 2-story log cabin with 3-bedroom and 2-bath is nestled in your own private 5-acre oasis. No restrictions, so bring your animals, build your workshop, or whatever you can imagine on this fairly level lot. Cabin needs some updates and repairs, so will not go FHA or VA as is, but priced accordingly with estimates for repairs available upon request. Even after repairs, this is still well below market value. Come see it before it's too late. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Mader at 865-966-1111.